Hey everybody, how are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More. So, I found a spot to put my Russian Bocking 14 Comfrey that I got from Big Wheel Dog 82 in the soil. Let's get it open. It's been in the refrigerator for a few days, and I'm going to, let's see how many pieces I have. You plant it 2 to 4 inches down and 2 feet apart, I think. 2 to 4 feet apart, something like that. I think 2 feet apart. So I have, oh, one has roots on it already. That one has roots. So I have 4 pieces. Oh, this one has roots too. Where are you going?
Nowhere.
Okay. I'm gonna plant. You're gonna be able to see down here? What kind of recorder are you? Can you do this right? Try and dig 4 inches down, 2 to 4 inches down in the soil. Oh, it's hard. What is that, a rock? Whoa. All right, that's about 2 or 3 inches. So I'm going to place one. This one has a couple roots as well, and lay it diagonally like that. You got that on there? I have a new photographer here, a new Demia's recording. So if this is a little wonky, this is her first time recording while I work. So I'm just gonna cover it with some soil, and then I'm gonna mark this so I know where it is. So that's one here, and then about 2 feet, I'm gonna put another one right here. So I'm going to take this short one here, and it has a couple of roots on it. I guess since I put it in the refrigerator and soaked it a little more, it started to root. I think that's about 2 inches. Cover it up, and then I'll come back and mark where I have them. All right, we're going to go to the side of the house, and I have 2 more pieces. I'm going to plant those on the side of the house.
We're going right now?
Yeah, put it on pause.
How do you do that?
Right here. That double line. All right, over here on the side of the house, I'm going to plant these other ones. I'm going to put one right here. This long one. Let me make it a little longer, because you lay them down horizontally, from what I read. And Big Will had a video up today that I watched, and he's telling how he got these gifted to him, and he gifted to some of his friends, and I was one of them. And then he showed how he dug it up and prepared them to mail. So there's one. So about 2 feet. I'm going to come down and put the other one right here. There's a lot of rocks in this soil. And this is the fat one. It doesn't have any roots on it. Put her right there. Cover her up. Put that rock right there so I know where to mark it. And that rock right there. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted. Hit the like button. Thank you, Big Will. I'll keep you posted on how these grow. I'm in zone 6A just like you are. Happy growing. Toodles. And cut.